November 720 Sierra here at Oshkosh on day 5, and we are at the Vans booth, and they have their new Vans RV 14A with a new paint job on it here that you can see. Of course, lots of people walking around, and of course we have an RV-12 here on Vans aircraft, which is the other plane we are working on. And of course over here, a Vans RV-10. Another beautiful aircraft, the Vans RV-10. And up here to the Vans booth. And we'll just take a quick walk around through here and show you what they've got. And of course there's Ryan, who's their chief engineer. And I don't see Greg here at the moment, although I did see him earlier, and I went to a talk with Vans Aircraft, and all the bigwigs were there, and that was a very interesting talk they have. Here's a Lycoming engine that they typically use in their aircraft that was on display here. All right. So let's see. There's the 14, the 12, the 10, and there's another aircraft. I'm not sure which one that is around the corner. And that's basically it for now. I'm going to shut this portion off. This is November 720 Sierra at Oshkosh on day number 5.